In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in WordPress. We'll walk through the process using the Gutenberg block editor, which is the default in WordPress 5.0 and newer, and I'll also show you where this happens in the classic editor so you're covered either way. First, sign in to your WordPress dashboard, head to your site's admin login page, and enter your credentials. Once you're in, decide where the image belongs. Posts are great for time-based updates like articles, while pages are better for evergreen content like home or about. To create something new, choose Posts and Add New or Pages and Add New. If you're updating existing content, open it by clicking its title so you're inside the editor. In Gutenberg, your content is made up of blocks. Place your cursor exactly where the image should appear, click the plus icon, and select the image block. This tells WordPress you want to insert a single image right at that spot. You have a few ways to bring the image in. Click Upload to add a file from your computer, select Media Library to choose an image you've already uploaded, or simply drag and drop a file into the editor area. If your image is large, consider compressing it before upload to keep your pages fast. In the Media Library, you can use the search bar or filters to find the right file more quickly. After the image appears, fine-tune the details. Add a caption if it's helpful for context or credit. Adjust alignment to left, center, or right to control how text wraps around it. Drag the corners to resize. Aim for dimensions that look good on both desktop and mobile. Most importantly, add alternative text. Alt text is a short, plain description of what the image shows, which helps screen readers and also provides search engines with meaningful context. Keep it accurate and concise, like blue mug on a wooden desk, rather than stuffing keywords. Clear file names and relevant captions can also improve clarity. When everything looks right, save your work. For brand new content, click Publish. For existing posts or pages, click Update. It's a good idea to preview the page and check that the image displays correctly and doesn't disrupt your layout on smaller screens. If you're using the classic editor, look for the Add Media button above the toolbar. From there, you can upload or select an image in the same way and still set captions, alignment, and alt text. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more WordPress tips and tutorials.